Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat not working in Sons of the Forest. So first of all, go ahead to the options, click on audio right here, and scroll down until you see voice chat, and make sure voice volume is on 1, and proximity voice chat always on or push to talk. So select one of those, and as I'm talking right here, you can see the green microphone. If that doesn't work for you, there's second step. Just go to your sound settings right here, and where it says input, make sure it is on your right microphone. And I'm speaking, as you can see, it shows that I have some volume right here and my device is working. And here, I'll show you the third step. Just click right here and go to the recording. And if you scroll down, you'll see that you can select default microphone. So select one of the microphones and make sure it is set on default. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you fix your mic issues in Sons of the Forest game. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.